Andrew here guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to easily export your contact list in Gmail. So you want to open up your browser and go to google.com, ensure that you sign in, click the apps here on the upper right hand side and find your contacts. Now once you find your contacts, it's very easy to export those contacts. Now all you have to do is just simply go ahead and select the contacts. Now if you have multiple contacts, right, so let's say you have 10 contacts or 20 contacts, you will be able to select all of them. So you will see when you select one, you will get the option to select all, and you will be able to select all of those contacts, or you can just simply go ahead and select the ones that you want to export. Now once you select it, you'll have the option here on the upper right hand side in blue. You have the option to manage label, to send email even from the contacts here, and you even have the more action that you can export. So once you click on export, you just need to ensure that you select the emails. As I said, you can always select the emails as well from here, and you can select if you want to export it as CSV, or you want to export it as an Outlook CSV, or you want to export it as a V card for your Android or iOS contact. So select whichever one you want, guys, right? And you just simply need to click on export, and that will easily export the contact list for you that you can easily import in other accounts as you wish. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.